not kissing me anymore.
Oh my god.
I mean, I don't even think I need to say what just happened. Unless David wants to talk about it. Hey guys. Hey guys. Alright. Alright guys. Alright guys, so
shitting on these haters, shitting on these haters, I be shitting on these haters, shitting on these.
Dylan, your car is just so much fun to drive on cold start. What are you doing?
Hold on.
What are you doing?
Fucking hating life.
There may be a little rusty.
Oh, great.
Dylan, I don't understand why you're complaining. You fit down there perfect.
Go to the gym, they say.
You just gotta.
It'll be fun, they say.
All right, so the engine's pulled on this vert right now. So the Jay-Z's out. In the process of just kind of taking everything else apart. Climbing up here. Just got the master for the clutch, brake, and some fuel stuff that I'm not allowed to touch. So, oh yeah, and are we pulling your steering too?
No, I don't think so.
No, okay, we don't need to do that. What's going on, man? You got it?
Just hurt.
Alright, let's check it out. Let's see if Dylan got this. Yeah.
Real fucking quick, nigga.
Yeah.
Real fucking quick, nigga.
He ain't show valuable lesson, man. I had to grow up. That's why I never ask for help. I do it for you niggas and do it for myself. I go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick.
Pretty much the entire bay. Had to go really extensive on this with Dylan's build because he glittered it the first time that we did this, that he did this. And don't throw glitter on your paint. Just don't do it. The main problem with it is if you ever want to change it, you really got to sand down the grit of that sparkle. As you can see, there's still some on there. So, got a little bit more to touch up before we're actually able to start prepping it for paint. But we ran into a little bit of an issue. And that issue lies right here with this bolt. It didn't want to come out at all. Wait, we can start. We can start out with the drill bit. If it doesn't work with what we have, we can use that hole saw. We'll use that as like
Is it
a.
a 1 inch, 3/4?
I think it's like a 1 inch.
That's big. That's almost the whole frame.
No, it is not.
Yeah, it
the
is.
frame out is. Oh,
This is
do
like
it
an
on the
inch and a half.
side.
On the side?
Yes.
Why? How am I gonna get a side?
Wait, we can get a wrench in there.
Oh, wrench, bro.
Slide it sideways, put it in. As long as it's that wide. Wow.
We have the.
So it popped off the welds, but we got it.
Wild City.
It's brand new.
Yeah. No bolt. You're not going to be able to put the welder in there.
Yeah, I can weld that. That's easy.
Yeah, but only one side. You can't get the back side.
You can't
Yeah,
hit
did you see
everything.
how it was welded? It had 4 little tacks on the corner. I would just go.
In this spot right here.
Do I?
Yeah, right here. Oh! I mean, let's just recap. Not only did we get all of this out and start sanding and get the majority of everything sanded down, but also nothing left in there. We got big plans, boys. Big plans. And girls.